Big Joe's Outdoors. I had the boat launch again today. Wind's in my face on this end of it. I'm gonna do a little catfishing and maybe a little bass fishing. See what we can get. I'd like to catch some perch too, so I brought some shrimp, but it's frozen, so it's got to thaw. Oh, I just ate a whole can of Spam. We got the hiccups. Stay tuned. We'll catch us some fish. Now I haven't tried this before. This is a piece of chicken breast. I didn't add nothing to it. I keep seeing people say add jello and garlic and chicken breast. I got a couple chunks, but I think I'm only use one. I'm not gonna bait more than one line with this, and I'm going off that point. I know there's a pipeline going through here, so on the other side of it, there's probably going to be a little bit of a drop off. So we're going to run this line over there. Only about a little bit of chicken. I think it was smaller than what this hook is going to hook. So I'm gonna rig up another line chunk over there. I should be able to hit it with what I want. See if I can't land this in that same spot and see what happens. Crabs are what's biting my line out there, but some of it's fish hits. It hits a little too hard for that. I'm gonna put a cork on and try to keep it a little bit higher, maybe just a hair off the bottom. And I know crabs will come up to get it, but at least I'll know. I can tell the difference then. So, fish on here. Not a bad one right there. Take a look at that guy. A little tangled. A little untangled. I'm struggling to catch fish today. We got some nice meat right there, so stick him in the ice chest. Battery died. I caught a few catfish. I don't know when it died on me. I wasn't paying attention to it. Just let go of a turtle I caught, and I got another bite right now, so I'll shoot you in that direction. Hopefully it's not that turtle, because I see another one running around up there. Put it out past the turtle. I did catch enough turtles today to make a sauce pecan, but we're not eating turtle today. We've got plenty of catfish. You know, I started bass fishing in the beginning of this, switched over to catfishing. We're doing good on that. Sorry I couldn't, if y'all missed a bunch of them. I don't know yet. I'll have to, when I go through it, I'll tell you what y'all missed. Well, let's keep tuned and see what else we can get out here. They've been biting pretty steady. see him jump out of the water? That was cool. See the landing net. Another good. Seems like keeping it off the bottom has been working better than anything else today. It's like the cats are just cruising through here. Check him out. Nice catfish. Good guy. Ain't he cute? Little aquarium fish. Check it out. Y'all ain't supposed to swallow purple hook. He's damaged, I'm keeping him. Doing pretty good with these things today. I think I have more than what I'm going to end up eating. So I'm going to be done with the day. Take it on a good note. Alright, we had a good fishing trip here. Got us a lot of nice catfish. We did have a little camera issue, but that ain't a big deal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.